explain about my interior design concept, which is a living room. As you can see, I included a three-seater sofa here because if I included a two-seater with a three-seater sofa, then it would have looked more crowded, and I wanted a room to be more minimalist. And as you can see here, this is actually a double feature table. So this table is attached to two seats over here. So you can play any board game on this table. But it can also be used as a coffee table. So this is one very good feature about this double feature table. And as you can see, instead of a bar of look, I included a chair over here. And this is an indoor plant, which is giving a more attractive and natural look to the living room. And this is a lampshade, and this is a switch to this lampshade. And as you can see here, there are photo frames of various sizes, because if it was the same size, then it would have not given a good look. And this is a hanging light, which is very common in living rooms, as it gives an essence to the lighting of the living room. And this is a huge window because it will make the room more airy, and you can also stare outside at the scenic beauty of the buildings. And this is my floor plan of the living room. Thank you.
The whole plan is based on sustainability. The plan is made in such a way that it's energy efficient and cheaper to run. Entrance will lead you to foyer area where you get access to the office, living and the porch. Kitchen is located to the left of the living, and you can get access to either of the rooms from the living area. Both the rooms have a bath, and along with the bath is a walk-in wardrobe on both the rooms. Coming back to the living area, you can get access to the porch and the hallway, which is at the other end, leading you to the outdoor living. The entire plan is put up in such a way that the house gets maximum sunlight during the day, along with adequate space and privacy, thus making the plan sustainable, totally inspired by the famous quote of Louis Kahn. The sun never knew how great it was until it hit the sides of a building. Thank you.
The COVID-19 pandemic has resulted in an increased awareness of cost-saving opportunities from work from home. It is estimated that 25 to 30% of the workforce will adopt work from home on a multiple days a week basis by the end of 2021.
We have designed a 2 BHK house with a built-in workspace to provide an environment for people to work and attend meetings. This workspace is separated from the living space to avoid any disturbance and to provide a professional look while working.
As shown in the plan, we can see a spacious living room, a kitchen, beside which there are 2 bedrooms with individually attached bathrooms, a big workspace, utility room as well as a balcony.
Hi guys, I'm Shruti Sakpal and I'm in 12th standard right now. I've selected here a challenge of designing a spacious 1 BHK for an artist. My design for 1 BHK is quite spacious with a big hall, a beautiful garden lawn outside, bedroom, kitchen and a small design room. I've used floor length glass windows all over in the house for freshness and ventilation. As I'm designing for an artist, I have added a small design room with big canvas and also sitting arrangements with bright orange color theme. Again, I've added a decor of a big paintbrush for keeping things and also a huge painting in the hall. Also, I have in the lawn I have kept a pot with a huge paintbrush and pencils in it to create a artistic atmosphere. Last but not the least, a big movie screen in the bedroom with abstract violet tiles on the walls. I have not used the normal bed here. Instead, I have used a floor bed, which shows the artist's free and dreamy behavior.
The biggest problem Indian youth faced, I felt, was a lack of clarity of vision, a lack of direction. It was then that I decided to write about the circumstances and people who made me what I am today. The idea was not merely to pay tribute to some individuals or highlight certain aspects of my life. What I wanted to say was that no one, however poor, underprivileged or small, need feel disheartened about life. Problems are a part of life. Suffering is the essence of success. As someone said, God has not promised skies always blue, flower-strewn pathways all our life through. God has not promised sun without rain, joy without sorrow, peace without pain. I will not be presumptuous enough to say that my life can be a role model for anybody. But some poor child living in an obscure place, in an underprivileged social setting, may find a little solace in the way my destiny has been shaped. It could perhaps help such children liberate themselves from the bondage of their illusory backwardness and hopelessness. Irrespective of where they are right now, they should be aware that God is with them. And when He is with them, who can be against them? Let the latent fire in the heart of every Indian acquire wings, and the glory of this great country light up the sky.
I salute the flag, it makes me proud. I'm an Indian, it says out loud.